make a statement on the demise of the former Member of Parliament for Bonchari constituency, Honorable Zebedeo Opore. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 259D2A, I rise to pay tribute to the former Member of Parliament for Bonchari constituency, the late Zebedeo John Opore, who passed away today morning at the age of 77 years. Honorable Speaker, the late Honorable John Opore was born on 8th of January 1947. He pursued higher education with great dedication, obtaining a degree in economics from the University of Nairobi and later master's science in economics from the University of Bradford in the UK in 1982. The late Honorable Opore began his illustrious political career in 1997 when he was first elected to represent the people of Bonchari in the National Assembly on a Ford People ticket. Throughout his political journey, he demonstrated unshakable commitment to his constituents by championing their interests both in and out of Parliament. Honorable Speaker, he was an astute legislator whose contributions to Parliament and its committees were invaluable. He served as an assistant minister in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, showcasing his expertise and dedication in public service. In recent years, he was a member of the Departmental Committee on Communication, Information and Innovation, where his insights were highly valued. Honorable Opore's political acumen was evident in his resilience and adaptability. His unwavering commitment to the people of Bonchari further demonstrated his leadership and development skills. Honorable Speaker, the late Honorable Opore was known for his deep respect for both young and the old. His ability to connect with the people across generations made him a true champion for the people of Bonchari and a voice of reason in our national discourse. Honorable Speaker, on behalf of the people of Kisii County and the entire National Assembly, I wish to express heartfelt condolences to the family of the late Honorable Zebedeo John Opore, his relatives, friends, and the people of Bonchari constituency. I'm married in Bonchari constituency. The people of Bonchari have lost a true champion, Mr. Speaker, and Kenya has lost a voice of reason with the passing on of Honorable Opore. His legacy of dedicated service will remain a guiding example for all of us in leadership. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.